New tonight at 9. In just 1 week, Alabama's new illegal immigration law will take effect, but one issue facing local law enforcement is where to put the illegal immigrants.
Right now, the Metro Jail in Mobile is packed, housing hundreds more inmates than were ever anticipated. Fox 10 News reporter Paige Malone got a first-hand look inside the jail today, and she joins us live from Metro right now. Paige?
Bob and Lindy's, the warden here at Metro gave us a tour of the facility, and the fact is it can't handle many more inmates. Now, this facility was originally built to house no more than 1,200. While today when we went inside, there were over 1,600 inmates. Now, that doesn't seem like a big deal, but take a look at what that extra 400 inmates looks like. It's hard to imagine one more person in this cell block.
We had 76 women in here before. Right now it's very low.
Now step inside a cell.
Here's a cell designed for 2 people. We have 4 people in here.
There's 7 people, one under her head under the toilet. You know, I know I'm in jail and everything. It's just we've got gnats you see flying around in here. We can't, you know, our showers are not getting cleaned.
Warden Trey Oliver says the tight quarters are like a pressure cooker.
Since we've reached these high numbers, we've had a number of incidents where our corrections officers have intervened in suicide attempts.
There's a lot of fights and stuff.
Oliver says the inmates outnumber the guards 400 to 2. The cutbacks in the courts and the rise in the number of arrests makes this a huge problem, one that can't be fixed on its already low budget.
Medical team is stretched beyond what they normally have to handle. All of our support systems are stretched. We're having to order more. At one point, for a couple hours, we actually ran out of mattresses.
There's not much more Metro Jail can take, but think about the amount of arrests that will be generated by the new immigration law.
They are increasing the demands on our already stretched, limited resources. I mean, you just can't keep doing more with less. You just can't keep doing that. Something's going to happen. And in our line of work, that's something that might happen is an injury to an officer or an injury to an inmate.
Now, Oliver says since 2006, Metro Jail's had a contract with Immigration and Customs Enforcement, and it houses up to 50 ICE inmates at any given time. But he hasn't been given any details on what role Metro Jail will play if the immigration law takes effect. He also hasn't been given any additional funding or guidance on how to handle the influx of inmates that would be generated by the new law. Reporting live from Metro Jail, Paige Malone, Fox 10 News.
All right, Paige, it's going to be interesting to see what happens.